سورة الانشقاق.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful.
إذا السماء انشقت
When the heaven shall be split asunder,
وأذنت لربها وحقت
and listen and obey its Lord, and it must do so.
وإذا الأرض مدت
And when the earth shall be stretched forth,
وألقت ما فيها وتخلت
and shall cast out all that was in it and become empty,
وأذنت لربها وحقت
and listen and obey its Lord, and it must do so.
يا أيها الإنسان إنك كادح إلى ربك كدحا فملاقيه.
O man, verily you are returning to your Lord, with your deeds and actions a sure returning, and you will meet the results of your deeds.
فأما من أوتي كتابه بيمينه
Then as for him who will be given his record in his right hand,
فسوف يحاسب حسابا يسيرا
he surely will receive an easy reckoning,
وينقلب إلى أهله مسرورا
and will return to his family in joy.
وأما من أوتي كتابه وراء ظهره
But whosoever is given his record behind his back,
فسوف يدعو ثبورا
he will invoke for his destruction,
ويصلى سعيرا
and he shall enter a blazing fire and made to taste its burning.
إنه كان في أهله مسرورا
Verily, he was among his people in joy.
إنه ظن أن لن يحور
Verily, he thought that he would never come back to us.
بلى إن ربه كان به بصيرا
Yes, verily his Lord has ever been beholding him.
فلا أقسم بالشفق
So I swear by the afterglow of the sunset,
والليل وما وسق
and by the night and whatever it gathers in its darkness,
والقمر إذا اتسق
and by the moon when it is at the full.
لتركبن طبقا عن طبق
You shall certainly travel from stage to stage.
فما لهم لا يؤمنون
What is the matter with them that they believe not?
وإذا قرئ عليهم القرآن لا يسجدون
And when the Quran is recited to them, they fall not prostrate.
بل الذين كفروا يكذبون
Nay, those who disbelieve deny.
والله أعلم بما يوعون
And Allah knows best what they gather.
فبشرهم بعذاب أليم
So announce to them a painful torment.
إلا الذين آمنوا وعملوا الصالحات لهم أجر غير ممنون
Save those who believe and do righteous good deeds. For them is a reward that will never come to an end.